Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to disable app lock on Busha. Since Busha itself doesn't have a built-in app lock feature, disabling it means removing the lock you've applied through your device settings or a third-party app. Here's how. Open your device settings, go to the security or privacy section, find the app lock or similar option, locate the Busha app in the list of locked apps and toggle the switch or button to disable app lock for Busha. Now, using a third-party app locker, you have to launch the app locker you're using, locate the Busha app in the app lockers list, look for an option to disable or remove the lock for Busha. This might involve toggling a switch, tapping a remove button, or deleting Busha from the locked app list. And you can uninstall it, but this is optional. If you no longer want to use the app locker, you can install it from your device. Now, you can also use Busha's biometric authentication if applicable. So all you need to do is open the Busha app, navigate to the security settings within the Busha app, and if there's an option to disable biometrics, turn that feature off.